MySQL running upon the port number 3306. So I'm going to click on it to open, where I have a pre-installed username and root as a password and username. So I'm going to use username and password to get into it. So here I have opened my working environment of MySQL Workbench. So firstly, you can see some space around here to work your queries. So first of all, first thing first, we have to create our own database here to work upon. So the syntax for creating database is create database. It is not a case sensitive case sensitive approach. So we can use any capital or small letters for the purpose of writing your queries. So I have created create database. Suppose I go with a demo 3. This is the name of a database I want to create. So I have simply uh, written here the query like create database demo 3. I'm going to select the database here and I'm going to execute the query here. So you can observe here create database demo 3 successfully got created. You can see here a green color tick mark saying that we have successfully created a database here. So I'm going to use my database here, say use demo 3. Okay, I'm going to use the database to create my tables. My ultimate task is to create some tables and perform some basic operations or queries upon the tables such that I can connect my Java program to this particular database. So I'm simply using this database demo 3. So after selecting the database, I have to execute it such that I will be okay using this particular database. Now, this session is followed by some basic queries like creating a simple table. Okay, how to create a simple table, like create table, the table name. If I want to create a table like student 1, okay, student 1, create table student 1, where I have to mention the attributes of the table, columns of the table. Some say if I want an ID, say like ID of type integer type, and followed by name of the student, which is of varchar type, varchar of which is going to store 10 characters, so 10. So I have created a table, trying to create a table with name student 1 with two attributes, integer int ID and name. So I have selected it and try to run it on. So I have successfully created the table. So followed by, I can also check for the contents of the table using the query select star from student. Initially I haven't given any sort of values into the student, so possibly this table will be empty, but I just want to run this query like selecting. So select, so you can see the two columns ID and name without any values in it. Okay, now we can run the basic query like insert into, okay, insert into the table name is student 1 values like I have to pass the values like the ID of the student. Suppose say 23 is the ID of the student, followed by the name of the student should be in a single quote, double quote, ram, like so. Insert into student, single quote will be enough.